Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you Webex Meeting Audio Not Working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to fix the issue that you are having, first what you can do is simply head over and open up your App Store, and on the search bar type in Webex. Then simply tap on the app and check to see if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so simply updating the app to the latest version will fix your issue. But for some reason, if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is simply head over to your settings. Then inside settings, scroll down and tap on general. Then inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, all you gotta do is scroll down until you find the Webex app and tap on it. And among the options, you'll find offload app. Simply tap on that, and what this does is it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches that is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So once the process is done, all you gotta do is try again, and that will fix your issue. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.